We thank God for His grace upon our lives. So our new topic, like I told you, is end of year adjustment. End of year adjustment is applicable to sole trader and even partnership. So what do we mean by end of year adjustment? These are closing entries or amendments which are made in the profit and loss account and balance sheet of an organization to show the true view of their transactions. So they are made in the books of account at the end of the accounting period. That is why it is called end of year adjustment. So why do we make these adjustments? We make these adjustments to comply with the concepts of accounting that says we must match revenue with expenses. So they are usually written under the trial balance in the question. Reasons for end of year adjustment. Number one, like I told you, to ensure that financial statements are prepared in accordance with the concepts of accounting. Number two, to provide for depreciation of fixed assets. Number three, to ensure that all income and expenses for the year are recorded. Number four, to provide for valuation of stock at the end of the year. And number five, to ensure that the principle of double entry is applied. So these five reasons are the reasons for end of year adjustment. Types of adjustment. The first type of adjustment is the closing stock. You are familiar with that. The second one is drawings. The third one, depreciation of assets. Number four, bad debts and provision for doubtful debts. Number five, provision for discount on debtors. 6, provision for discount on creditors. 7, accrued and prepaid income. 7 and 8, accrued and prepaid expenses. You are familiar with numbers 1 to 6. So we shall look at numbers 7 and 8 in detail. Okay. Number 7, which is accrued and prepaid income. So what do we mean by accrued income? This is the revenue that has been earned but for which cash has not yet been received. For example, if you are a landlord and your tenants, they have spent that month in your house but they have not paid for it. We are now